current hex cost in a real sense is $0.032. Hex fall 0.29% in 7 days in an unpretentious way. Hex cost investigation in every practical sense is negative today, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. First help level for hex fundamentally is at $0.030, which basically is very critical. 24 December 2023, in this video we will generally walk you through hex cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these as often as possible, generally gotten clarification on some things, facts, what in every practical sense is truly momentary cost expectation for hex, most certainly is hex a very wise interest in a genuinely large manner. Hex help and opposition levels and so forth, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Yet, prior to jumping kind of profound into the hex specialized examination, in every way that really matters, let us generally discuss the genuinely current economic situations, or so they certainly thought. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,678,108,084,033 in an unobtrusive manner. The really absolute exchanging volume generally remains at $59,916,753, which sort of is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 50.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,651.29 level after a decay of 0.24%, which sort of is genuinely critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 0.1% coming to $2,291.88 during the past 24 hours, or so they in every practical sense thought. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $114.03, following a value change of 18.2% inside a similar time span in a genuinely enormous manner. BNB, the kind of local coin of BNB, most certainly is somewhere near 0.23 and at present, exchanging at $269.10 in a very enormous manner. Furthermore, XRP came to 62 cents in the wake of seeing an elevate of 0.45% in esteem, which certainly is genuinely huge. These occasions in every practical sense show that the market truly is going in a descending heading for kind of transient in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, an extremely broad, truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which really shows that first help level for hex essentially is at $0.030 in an unpretentious manner. Hex help and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to basically recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a very significant manner. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers for the most part become sort of more genuinely dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So however, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the hex specialized examination, explicitly let us for the most part discuss the ongoing economic situations by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which dealers move fundamentally dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which by and large is very critical. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of hex execution. The kind of everyday diagram of hex most certainly shows that the hex cost explicitly has a truly descending development, with a 1.19% reduction in by and large beyond 24 hours. Exhibiting that hex help and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized markers used to sort of distinguish most certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which essentially is genuinely huge. The value worth of the hex coin in a real sense is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, exhibiting how following certainly are the help and opposition levels of hex execution the in every practical sense. Day-to-day diagram of hex really shows that the hex cost most certainly has a by and large descending development, with a 1.19% reduction in beyond 24 hours, showing that hex help and obstruction backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Or so they certainly thought. Hex cost changes 0.29% throughout the week, While the exchanging volume certainly is floating around $3,738,949 United States dollars, exhibiting how the value worth of the hex coin generally is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars. Exhibiting how following especially are the help and obstruction levels of hex execution. The genuinely day-to-day outline of hex truly shows that the hex cost generally has a kind of descending development, with a 1.19% lessening in kind of beyond 24 hours. Showing that hex help and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish truly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in a kind of significant manner. Hex value examination. Hex cost examination for 24 December 2023, inside a very everyday time span, really made sense of beneath. So BNB, the extremely local coin of BNB, is somewhere around 0.23 and presently exchanging at $269.10, incredibly. We utilize sort of relative strength index RSI, moving especially normal combination and uniqueness, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including basic moving commonly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving genuinely normal, EMA, to basically dissect a future development of the hex, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The MACD line in every practical sense is remaining beneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid further appearance. How these occasions truly demonstrate that the market generally is going in a descending course for sort of present moment, which truly is very huge. Hex financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the everyday graph in a huge manner. In fact, hex fundamentally has an in every practical sense closest opposition of $0.036, or so they for the most part thought. A bullish breakout in this obstruction level would in every practical sense support the upturn energy, showing that BNB, the exceptionally local coin of BNB, explicitly is somewhere near 0.23 and right now exchanging at $269.10 in a fundamentally enormous manner. The purchasers could then focus on the obstruction R2 put at $0.039, which generally shows that the very all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $59,916,753, or so they in a real sense thought. On the other hand, in the event that the financial backers in every practical sense betray the hex, the in every practical sense bears could handle the market and all things considered, take hex cost underneath the urgent help level of $0.030, exhibiting that 24 December 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through hex cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these regularly in a real sense, got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what generally is extremely transient cost expectation for hex, sort of is hex a truly wise interest in a kind of significant manner. While hex is Williams % R marker basic